Let us introduce Leonardo, a modern platform built to help companies plan faster, smarter, and more effectively. Leonardo brings budgeting, forecasting, and reporting together in one place. It eliminates manual data copying, breaks down silos, and still lets users work with the tool they know best, Excel. In many companies, planning takes weeks and happens across scattered Excel files, on local drives, on SharePoint, in emails. Every department works in its own file, and finance tries to stitch everything together into one picture. Eventually, a plan is created, but it's late, and by the time it's finally ready, it's already outdated. And some departments don't even recognize their own numbers. Sounds familiar? Maybe you have multiple branches, manage several countries, and each one builds its own plan in its own structure and its own local currency. And consolidation is always a race against time. Errors, fixes, last-minute changes, and constant fire drills. It's a headache. We know it all too well. And then there's the question of your business performance. Sometimes you look at the results and you just don't know what went wrong. Why did the plan look so good, but reality turned out completely different? In Leonardo, everything finally becomes clear, transparent, easy to read, and instantly visible. So what can Leonardo do? Full integration with Excel. Two-way data exchange. Working in Excel feels natural, and syncing with Leonardo is effortless. Leonardo includes a dedicated, powerful Excel add-in with rich import and export capabilities. You can even use a custom Excel function to pull data in any layout you prefer. Integrations and data migration. Integrating Leonardo with your systems is simple. We build interfaces that just work. And migrating your master data is painless. Thanks to our Excel add-in, you can transfer your data quickly, easily, and without using any CSV files. Full control and full auditability. Create any number of plan versions, while always keeping track of what's open and what's closed. You can lock or unlock periods, accounts, cost centers, and locations. And every change made to master data has a user record and a timestamp. Precise permissions. Control access down to the level of account, cost center, or location. You can set read-only, read-write, or delete rights exactly the way you need. User-friendly design. Drag and drop, filters, private and public views, fast export, and equally simple data import. Select a range in Excel and click Import. If something doesn't import, the user gets a clear, specific message. No logs, no black magic. Multi-dimensional planning. Accounts, cost centers, locations, plus up to 10 additional dimensions. You can plan sales by salesperson, customer, product, project. Expenses by employee, costs per car. The sky's the limit. Multi-currency. In Leonardo, you can work with multiple currencies, and their rates can vary depending on the plan version you're using. Each region's results can be instantly converted into any currency you need. Double entry bookkeeping. In financial data, Leonardo enforces double entry. What does that give you? Alongside your income statement, you always have a balance sheet and a cash flow statement. No guessing, no manual adjustments. Need to plan non-financial data? You have complete freedom. Plan headcount, volume, pallets, FTE, anything you need. Leonardo is a single place that connects financial, operational, and workforce planning. If you want to plan faster, manage smarter, and forecast together, Leonardo is the tool for you and your company. Contact us today and book a presentation.